Morning.
morning.
How are you, sir?
How are you? Humming
Yeah,
space.
I'm doing great, sir. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing
Yes.
well. Thank you very much for asking.
15 days holiday.
15 days? My
Yes.
God. Hmm. So, what he would do, she would do for these holidays? Any
Uh,
plans, any classes or extra classes, or just chill, have fun?
no, fun. Along with that, the same day when means she got holiday, like her the holiday start from 25th,
Okay.
26th. So
Her
I made a schedule.
holidays started from
Started.
from
Her
25th
yes, her
onwards.
holiday started from 26th. So I made a schedule for this whole holiday
Mhm.
because we got also like assignment for this vacation.
Mhm.
So even in this also I'll include we have to go some places like relatives places. And
Mhm.
if my husband will get holiday and
All
get
your
to
relatives are living in your vicinity.
visit
You
it's
have good
nearby.
shop, good sweet shops in your vicinity.
Yes.
What kind of like branded sweet shops or
No,
local?
no, not local sweets of not branded.
And you get to buy crackers in your vicinity.
No, because from last year
You don't
I
have any
told you,
shops, cracker
yes,
shops,
the shop, cracker
but
shops
not
are
in
there.
but not in your vicinity.
Yes, yes, there are.
There are there
Yes,
are shops. Is it a
yes,
walkable distance?
yes.
Okay, nice. Do you have any fire stations in your vicinity in case of any accidents or any fire issues, dangerous emergency?
Yes.
You have for all such contingencies. So, do you
Mm-hmm.
have like fire tenders in your vicinity?
I do not know the number actually.
The contact number maybe like 101, 102, 105,
Mm.
100. Emergency is always on 101.
Yes, yes,
Mhm, mhm. And do you have good hospitals in your vicinity?
yes.
Now you
There are
learn one new word today, which
vicinity,
is a vicinity. How do you spell it? Vicinity.
vicinity.
Vicinity means your surroundings, your
Yeah,
locality,
vicinity. Yeah,
nearby area. You said it, nearby area.
yes,
Without your knowledge, I taught you one word:
yeah, vicinity.
vicinity,
Yes,
vicinity, vicinity.
Vic-
Someone to help you, a maid servant or kamwali.
uh, yes. For cleaning, I took help.
No, every
Yes.
day, daily, she
No,
comes.
no, 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 not every day. Only for 2 or 3 days because lots of means cleaning work was there. So my husband told them don't do alone because you got tired after that.
Not every day.
Not every
There,
day.
there are two things. Every day combined. Every day.
Every day.
Huh. And every then day split.
Huh?
We write like every day together.
Mm-hmm.
Every
Yes,
day.
every day. Yes,
Then every gap
a
day.
day. Huh?
What's the difference?
Every day. Every day, which is together means like every day on daily basis.
Every is Everyday. Every
Yes,
day. Like
every day.
I'll put it in the chat. Okay. And every day. What's the
Yes,
difference? Teach me. Teach me.
and every day.
Can you see? Can you see the chat box?
No,
1 second. Every day
every day.
and every day.
Every day.
I go to gym every day.
Every day. The
Which one
second
you
one
will
will.
use?
The second one will.
Cleaning is an everyday chore.
Second one.
Cleaning the entire house is my everyday chore.
Hmm.
So So I go to gym every day. Which one you use, the first one or the second one? I go to gym every day, or I go to gym every day.
Second one, I think.
So what's the difference? Teach me.
Second means is suppose if I do something on regular basis,
Yeah.
so that time we use every day. Second one,
Something
and
every day is an adjective.
every
Every
day.
day without a gap is an adjective.
Okay.
The other one is the frequency. It shows like how often you go to gym, how
Mm-hmm.
often you go shopping,
Mm-hmm.
how often you celebrate Diwali.
Once in a week, once in a year,
You say every year.
every year, yes.
How often you attend Englishyaari classes?
Every day,
Every day. Which every day? Together or split?
together.
Huh? Every day. I'm asking the frequency.
Okay.
How often?
First
The
one,
question,
okay.
if I ask you how often you go to gym, means what is the frequency? How many times you go? What is the
Okay.
frequency of it? In that case, you have to say every day,
Day. Mm-hmm.
every year,
Yes.
every week, every month.
Okay.
If you
Got
want to
it.
use it as an adjective, yeah, then you have to use it together.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this has become an everyday headache.
Mm. Yes.
Everyday headache. Headache is a noun. And before
Noun.
a noun, we use adjective. Then it
Mm.
should be together.
Okay.
Oh, cleaning, that's my everyday chore. That's
Mm-hmm.
my everyday chore. Chore is a noun and everyday is an adjective.
Yes.
Going to gym, that's my everyday affair. Or
Mm-hmm.
it's video editing is my everyday task. Task is
Mm.
noun, and before that you should have
Every
an
day.
adjective, and when it is used as an adjective, everyday together.
Mm-hmm.
You should not split it. Split
Okay.
it every day. Every day is a frequency. I do it. I practice English every day.
Mm.
It is every gap.
Every or day. Day.
I go shopping every day.
Every day.
My daughter Shreya, she goes singing, dancing class every day. My
Mm.
husband, he goes to office every day. That is every day. That
Mm-hmm.
is like adverb. This one, joined together, is adjective. Give
Mm-hmm.
some examples. Give me some
Uh,
examples.
I attend Englishyaari session every day.
Mhm. You have to say the spelling, then it will be clear.
Every,
Mm.
then gap and day.
Okay, nice. For every day.
And for
For
every
every
day,
day. Every day. It's like
yes,
the way it is pronounced also is different.
every day.
Every day. Other one
Every
is
day.
every day.
Cleaning is my everyday schedule.
Every day schedule. Mhm. Okay, very good.
So
Means which every day
every day that comes together.
together. That's an adjective. You are engaging a new maid. You
Uh,
have to give her some instructions.
oh yes.
No? Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of instructions would you give to her on the very first day?
Okay.
Because I am alone. I have a lot
Yes.
of other jobs. So
Yes.
you have to be punctual, prompt, and you should come every day sharp 6 a.m.
Every day, 5 to 7.
Simple instruction.
Mm-hmm.
That is every day.
Mm-hmm.
That is a frequency. She should come
Yes.
every, because you
Every
have
day.
engaged her not weekly, not
Mm.
2 days in a week. It is a job you are offering every day.
Every day. Yes.
Next, every
Yes.
day you should clean the washrooms.
Washroom. Yes.
You should clean the washrooms every day.
Yes.
Again, every day.
Mm.
These are all like frequency. आपको washrooms कब clean करना है? हर रोज करना है. Frequency.
Yes.
Frequency. One
Yes.
more. One more instructions.
Every day you have to sweep and mop the floor.
You should cook every day.
I use it cook every day. Yes,
Now, can you use the other every day?
every day. Yes. Mm.
What do you mean?
Every day means that use on daily basis.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Everyday items.
everyday items.
Items.
The noun.
Now,
Yes, noun.
adjective. So, what are some everyday items? Can be toothpaste. It can be detergent. It can be soap.
Milk,
It can be milk. It can be so which you use
bread,
every day.
every day.
Everyday items which you
Yeah,
use every day. They are
yeah.
called as everyday items.
Everyday items.
You use both. You
Yes.
which the items which you use every day is called or
Mm.
are called everyday items. Don't worry, man. These are everyday problems. Like,
Mm.
your husband comes and complains, oh, I got late to the office because of heavy traffic. You
Mm.
can say, don't worry, man. These are everyday problems.
Mm.
Everyday problems.
Problem.
So
Yeah.
now from the rule, which everyday you should use?
Everyday problems like adjective. Which one is
Eh,
adjective?
Together.
Yes,
Every and day
together.
together.
And every day that is separate. That if some work is means frequently happens
So he goes to office every day
every day.
and complains about his everyday problems.
Mm.
Which everyday we should use? First,
The
first.
first one
Mhm,
we use every and day separate,
mhm,
and
mhm.
then second one we use every day like which one is together.
You got it. You are very sharp,
Yeah.
Salutation. You got it. You caught it.
Yeah.
So
Thank
when
you.
you in your free time, try to use this. This concept should be drilled
Hmm.
into your cognizance. You should
Yes.
be able to comprehend every day, every day,
Yeah.
every day, and
Yeah.
every day. Right? So that
Yeah.
day you were talking about some words you want to teach me, some new vocabulary words.
Today I bring more words. Yesterday
Mhm.
I did not read, only 15. I sit for reading at 12 o'clock in night, but I was so tired. I keep falling. Yes. And
Can you use another word for tired?
behind this, why it is
Purpose
compulsory
is
to
like if
clear.
you want to go to those countries, English speaking countries, they want
Mm-hmm.
to make sure that you can communicate. There are four
Okay.
tests. There are four tests for IELTS. One,
Mm-hmm.
LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So
Mm-hmm.
there will be an examiner that you have will be called for a spoken English test, and they will ask
Mm-hmm.
you some questions, simple questions. Tell me, where are you from? What's your favorite drink? Tell
Mm-hmm.
me about your hobbies.
Yes.
They will evaluate your spoken English. Okay, then
Mm-hmm.
they will give you a topic, and you have to write something about that topic, your written competency. And they will play some audios, native speakers talking, and you have to listen to that, and there will be questions asked the basis of that audio.
Mm-hmm.
That is your listening skill. Then you will be given a passage. You have to read that, and there will be many questions asked on the basis of that passage.
Mm-hmm.
You have to answer that. So LSRW. And you have to, if you want to go abroad, you need minimum 6.5 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, if you get if they call band, if you get a band 9, then you're very good, and you will get admissions for colleges, universities, and even for job. Like,
Mm-hmm.
there are many nurses going
Mm-hmm.
abroad, nurses, like
Okay.
they have completed BSc nursing, and they go abroad, and if they want to go, yeah, they have to clear IELTS.
Okay.
Yeah.
Means it is easy to get job and to get admission in colleges in other in abroad.
It's not a matter of easy unless you clear this and you have a minimum of 6.5, band
Mm-hmm.
of 6.5. You will not be allowed to enter that country, because if you reach, imagine you go to Canada and you
Mm-hmm.
can't speak English. How would you
Mm-hmm.
communicate?
Yes.
Recently there was a big racket.
Mm-hmm.
6 persons, they paid some bribe and they cleared this IELTS
Mm-hmm.
through the back door. Everywhere in India, they
Yes.
greased the palms of some invigilators and they passed
Mm-hmm.
the exam and they reached Canada. 6 from Gujarat.
Mm-hmm.
And they were trying to sneak into the US. From Canada, they went to Canadian border, and their ultimate aim was to go to migrate to the US, not to stay in Canada. But what happened, unfortunately, they were arrested by Canadian mountain police. And
Mm-hmm.
they were taken to the court, and the judge asked them, how did you came to Canada? So have you completed your IELTS? Yes, sir. But they could not answer even a single question.
Mm-hmm.
The judge was asking in English, and they could not. So if you have completed IELTS, why aren't you able to answer my question? Then they did some investigation and they communicated with Indian authorities, and they found that they got fake certificates. They
Mm-hmm.
got the certification, they cleared the exam through some illegal means, maybe bribing or something else, and they were deported to India.
Mm-hmm.
So IELTS is a compulsory examination, and minimum you should get a band of 6.5. If you get 7, like for example, you get in reading you get 8, in spoken you get 7, in
Okay.
written you get 7.5, and listening you get 4. So
Mm-hmm.
you will add all these and divide by 4. Your average score will be taken, and that will be your band.
Okay.
Don't They won't say percentage or something. They just call band.
Mm-hmm.
So some universities, some good universities, they will insist for a band of 7,
Mm-hmm.
and it's very expensive. If you attend the course for 1 month, they will charge you around 10 to 12,000 rupees.
Mm-hmm.
They will conduct a lot of mock tests,
Okay.
and for the test you have to pay a fee of 14,000.
For
So
the
if
test,
you
one
want to
single test,
attempt, sorry,
one single test.
yeah, all these 4 tests, like one attempt of one IELTS, all these 4 LSRW,
Mm-hmm.
14,000. And before
Mm-hmm.
that, if you want to attend some courses, it will be 10 to 12,000. So average, you have to fork out 25,000
Mm-hmm.
for this exam.
Okay.
And if you want to go to US, there's another test called GRE, Graduate
Yeah.
Record Examination.
Okay. And Englishyaari also provide these courses. Is it
Englishyaari only spoken English.
only spoken?
Englishyaari, yeah, is only spoken English, because and you have to work on your other skills.
Mm-hmm.
You have to work on other skills.
But when
So
we visit on the website and even with tutors also, so all these columns highlight like IELTS, spoken
yeah,
English,
for
and
IELTS, I can train you for IELTS. I can train you for spoken English. But what about your listening skill? What about your written skill? What about your reading skill? So if you go for an exclusive IELTS coaching, then 1 week they will train you for listening skills. Then 1 week they'll train you for writing skill, reading skills, and speaking skill. But any platforms like Englishyaari, you will be trained only for spoken
spoken
English,
English.
international English language.